Hello everyone, welcome to another session of newspaper analysis at Bodhapur IAS Academy. Today we will be analyzing some of the important news from the Assam Tribune dated 22nd March 2021 along with some other important news. In the description box below we have provided the link for the e-paper so that you can download it from there. Please like and share this video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So the first news of the day is regarding a joint anti-terror exercise named Pubby Anti-Terror 2021. This joint exercise was announced on the 36th meeting of the Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure, REDS, which is a permanent organ of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO. Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure has its headquarters at Tashkent, Uzbekistan, and in its 36th meeting this particular joint exercise was announced. And Shanghai Cooperation Organization, it is a structural permanent, it is a permanent intergovernmental international organization, and it was created in the year 2001 and came into force in 2003. This particular body, it has certain objectives and it ensures the strengthening of mutual trust and neighborliness among the member states, then promoting trade and economy, research and technology and cultural relation, enhancing ties in education, energy, transport, tourism, environmental protection, etc. and also helps in maintaining peace, security and stability in the region. There are 8 members in this bloc and India joined SCO in the year 2017. This particular anti-terror joint exercise, it is aimed to increase the cooperation between the competent authorities of the SCO member countries in identifying and suppressing the channels that finance terrorist activities. The next news is regarding stabilizing India's population. India, we all know, is the second most populated nation of the world, and it is followed by US. The most populated country is China till now, but the way India's population is rising, by 2024 it is feared that India is going to cross China in regards of population. এতিয়া main question to hoise why we are facing this problem and what is government doing in order to control the rate of population. We all know that family planning is a very important aspect to lead a balanced social life, right? Our health department, Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it had provided the policy of 2 children in a family, okay, to control the population growth way back in the year 1952. But this did not bore very good results because of lack of education, religious misbeliefs, and of course lack of growing superstition among the people. Agote manhu bilake bhabisile je if there are more number of people in the family, then there will be more hands to work, okay, the income of the family will rise and that will help in running of the family. But তেওঁলোকে এইটো realize নকৰে যে as the number of people increases, there will be more people, there will be more person to feed, and their quality of life will not be good. At a whole family, it is possible for the parents to provide good education to their children, right? To have a balanced diet with proper nutrition, and they can have a proper social, they can have a very good environment socially. So these factors are very important to lead a stable life. Yar khetrot illiteracy, superstition aru religious misconceptions eta bahut damor barrier hoy. Keneke government ebilak steps lobo pare to remove these kind of social evils. The age limit of marriage of Indian girls should be raised, okay, 18 years or so that they become aware of family planning ideas. Child marriage India bahut agor pra choli ase, it is a social evil, and child marriage etia bahut komise agotke, but at earlier time, before 1952, it was very common, and because of that reason also they were unaware of health, good health facilities. They were they didn't know the importance of family planning. তেওঁলোকে এইটো নাজানিছিলে যে অকল অকল বেছি মানুহ বেছি members of the family, if the members of the family are more, that does not add to the quality of life. Rather কম মানুহ হৈ পেলাই better quality life lead কৰাটো বেছি দৰকাৰী. হেল্থ সেক্টৰত আমি মন দিব পাৰোঁ, এডুকেশ্যনত আমি ইনভেষ্ট কৰিব পাৰোঁ, ৰাইট? চ' এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথাবিলাক বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হৈ যায়, আৰু সেইকাৰণে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে 2 child পলিচি লৈছিলে, ইন্ট্ৰডিউচ কৰিছিলে কণ্ট্ৰাচেপ্টিভছ এণ্ড use of contraceptives, and it was also seen that after using birth control, the population the growth rate it started reducing. But this happened only from 1985. 52 te dia hoisile, 52 te start korisile initiative to, but ami result after 85 he dekhibole paisu. Etia in the year 2020 the rate was 0.99%, and in 2021 0.97%. Yate China নাম উল্লেখযোগ্য হয়, কাৰণ China started their population control measures in the year around 1979, and it was like nearly 20 years later then India took up the initiative, right? কিন্তু তেওঁলোকে বহুত বেছি strict measures কিছুমান লৈছিলে. They followed it very strictly, and there was like they paid cash, and other bonus was given in terms of job facilities. They provided job opportunities to those who followed the 1 or 2 child policy, and those who could not follow this policy, those people, they were punished in the sense that they had to pay 50% of their income as tax, and some also had to lose their jobs, okay? So these were some of the strict actions which were taken by China. Of course, in a democratic country like India, government cannot be as strict as they were to implement this 2 child or 1 child policy, but even then we can we can take up certain initiatives which will include educating the village areas, educating the people who belong to villages and other weaker economic sections regarding the benefits of small family. They can introduce certain provisions in the budget for this purpose, and they can as I mentioned earlier, they can raise the bar of age limit of marriage for females from 18 to 20. And incentives, of course, incentives acts as a can boost this particular process. Jodi village area, rural areas, what incentives provide kora jai for those people who have small family, okay, and they are provided job opportunities, so that can really accelerate this particular process. Ahomotu tenekwa dhoroner steps lua hoise, and in Assam also we can see etia government jobs kisumanot apply koribole hole we have to there is a section 5A form which you have to fill up, that mention kora thake number of children, okay, it should not exceed 2, it should not exceed 2, and that can that can result in if you break that particular policy, then that can result in eligibility for those government jobs. Hey post to kam korar pisot jodi ei rule to violate hua dekha jay, tetia hole that person may lose his job, and also that particular person cannot participate in the in politics. He cannot have a career in politics. So etu eta dekhibole poa goise je this particular Department of Human Resource and Family Welfare, it has to work in a very coordinated manner to remove these superstitions which are already instilled in the minds of the backward, I mean by backward I mean illiterate people, okay, because education is the key to enlightenment. If you educate people regarding social awareness, then only they will understand the importance, then only they will understand regarding the importance of quality of life, okay, and that way we can work together to reduce the population so that we can properly utilize the resources of our country and follow sustainable development measures. The next news is regarding valuing water in the age of climate change. Protek bosore on 22nd of March we celebrate World Water Day. এই বছৰৰ 2021 World Water Day theme to hoise valuing water, and UN has elaborated this theme by explaining the importance and value of water to different people. Panir jitu importance hoy protektu jaga loi pelai tar ortho beleg beleg. Jetia ami ঘৰুৱা কামত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ নাইবা ৱৰ্ক প্লেচ অফিচ স্কুল এনেকুৱা মাৰ্কেট এনেকুৱা এৰিয়াত মলছ এণ্ড অল এনেকুৱা জেগাত যেতিয়া পানীৰ কথা আমি দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট থিং দেট কামছ টু আৱাৰ মাইণ্ড when we think of water is health, hygiene, right, clean drinking water, this kind of thing. Spiritually যেতিয়া আমি পানীৰ কথা ভাবোঁ in terms of religious and spiritual places, it relates to a sense of creation, community and oneself. Again, jodi natural perspective or pra ami bhabo, water means peace, harmony and preservation. Iman different dimensions thokar pisoto ami dekhibole pao je there is wastage of water everywhere. নিজৰ ঘৰতে আপুনি দেখিব কেতিয়াবা কিবা কাম কৰি থাকোঁতে কাৰোবাক দেখিব যে টেপটো চলাই পেলাই বেলেগ ধৰণৰ কাম বাকী বেলেগ কামত লাগি আছে। ডেট ৰিজাল্টছ ইন ৱেষ্টেজ অফ ৱাটাৰ। আপোনাৰ ষ্ট'ৰেজ যিটো হয় সেইটো ভৰ্তি হৈ গৈছে, বাট পানী টেপটো বন্ধ কৰিব পাহৰি গৈছে। ডেট ৰিজাল্টছ ইন ৱেষ্টেজ অফ ৱাটাৰ। এদিন পানী নোহোৱা হৈ গ'লে গোটেই যিটো দিনৰ দৈনন্দিন যিটো আমাৰ চাইকেল হয় সেইটোৱে ষ্টপ হৈ যায়। সেইটোতে বহুত ধৰণৰ প্ৰব্লেম আমি ফেচ কৰোঁ। ৰাতিপুৱা শুই উঠি যদি আপুনি টেপত পানী নাপায় তেতিয়াই ডেট আৱাৰ ডে ষ্টাৰ্টছ অন এ ভেৰি ডিফিকাল্ট নোট, ৰাইট? চ' ইমান ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ থকাৰ পিছতো যেতিয়া আমি এইটোৰ ভেলিউ বুজি নাপাওঁ, ৱাটাৰৰ ভেলিউ বুজি নাপাওঁ, আমি যেতিয়া ভালকৈ নিজে কনজাৰ্ভ নকৰোঁ আৰু নিজৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীকো নিশিকাওঁ, কাৰণ আমি যিটো ফ'ল' কৰিম, আমি যিটো যেনেকৈ ইউজ কৰিম সেইটোৱে আমাৰ আপকামিং জেনেৰেশ্যনে ফ'ল' কৰিব, ৰাইট? চ' ইয়াত ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চটো দেখুওৱা হৈছে যে উই শ্বুড ষ্টাৰ্ট ৰিয়েলাইজিং দ্য ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ অফ ৱাটাৰ এণ্ড what will happen if one day we have to, like there are many places etia bahut jaga ase in the month of March barishar age bahut jagat pani komi jay. Guwahati to specially bahut manhe pani kini khabologia hoy, daily user karneo pani iman easily available nohoy. ইমানবোৰ থকাৰ পিছতো যদি এতিয়া we don't change our ways, it is going to have a very very dangerous impact on the upcoming generations and also for us in near future. এনেকুৱা নহয় যে অকল আপকামিং জেনেৰেশ্যনে ফেচ কৰিব, আমাৰ কাৰণেও এইটো বহুত ডিফিকাল্ট হৈ যাব। যিখিনি গ্লেচিয়াৰ্ছ আছে ইন দ্য মাউণ্টেইন ৰিজন, ক্লাইমেট চেঞ্জৰ কাৰণে দে আৰ মেল্টিং, ৰাইট? এণ্ড ইভেঞ্চুৱেলি দেট উইল লিড টু ফ্লাড in the nearby areas. আমাৰ ইয়াতে আমাৰ কাণ্ট্ৰিত চাবলৈ গ'লে নৰ্দাৰ্ণ এৰিয়াজ, আৰু সেইখিনিতে বহুত বেছি এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ, more than 60% of agricultural activities, okay, it is done in the northern part. আৰু তাতে যদি ফ্লাড হৈ যায় তেতিয়াহ'লে that is going to have a negative impact on the food security, that is going to be a threat to the food security of our country, right? আৰু ফ্লাড হোৱাৰ পিছত eventually it will lead to scarcity of water in the hilly areas. তেতিয়া আৰু বেছি প্ৰব্লেম হ'ব। যিকোনো জায়গাতে যদি স্কেৰচিটি অফ ৱাটাৰ হয় বা যদি কোৱালিটি অফ ৱাটাৰ ভাল নহয় তেতিয়াহ'লে that particular water is of no use. হেতু আপুনি ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰে বা হেতু আপুনি ফাৰ্মিঙৰ কাৰণে ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰে, productivity নাই সেই পানীটো. You'll have to undergo some rigorous filtration process that is going to be even more costlier, right? And conservation of water is also important to achieve the 6th Sustainable Development Goal and ensuring water and sanitation for all by this decade itself. Okol আমি নিজৰ কাৰণেই নহয়, আপকামিং জেনেৰেশ্যনছৰ কাৰণেও ভাবিব লাগিব. এণ্ড ক্লিন ড্ৰিংকিং ৱাটাৰ এণ্ড sanitation should be a must for all, irrespective of their position in the society, irrespective of where you live, be it rural or urban area. Water should be available, fresh water, clean drinking water and good quality water should be available for all. So hetur karne ami like entire as a society will have to work together, join hands in conserving water and valuing water in its true sense. Next, due to news hoy, it is regarding the Essential Commodities Act, and the Parliament Committee has asked the government to implement the Essential Commodities Amendment Act in true letter and spirit. Yat etu mention kora hoise je the farmers, they don't get better prices despite our country becoming surplus producers of many agricultural product. Etu kyo hoise? This is because of lack of investment in the proper cold storage facilities, warehouses and processing and export of these products, right? A Essential Commodity Amendment Act of 1955 jitu asile, this acts as a disincentive for entrepreneurs, and that is why an Amendment Act of 2020 has been provided, and this particular act aims to liberalize the regulatory system while protecting the interest of the consumer. This is mentioned in one of the 3 farm laws passed by the government recently. ECA, jitu Essential Commodities Act hoy, Amendment Act hoy 2020, there are certain provisions under this act which includes regulation of food items. Central government has may regulate the supply of certain food items only under extraordinary circumstances like war, famine, extraordinary price rise and natural calamity of grave nature. And the next one is imposition of stock limit. This act requires that imposition of any stock limit on agricultural produce must be based on price rise. Stock limit will be imposed only if there is 100% increase in the retail price of horticultural produce or 50% increase in the retail price of non-perishable agricultural food items. Next, due to news we say, it is regarding the launch of Gram Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all Ujjala program by the Ministry of Power. Yar a program to underot 7 watt and 12 watt LED bulbs will be provided to the rural consumers, which will have a warranty of 3 years on submission of working incandescent bulbs. Teolukor nijor ghorar working bulbs kini submit korile 7 watt or 12 watt or LED bulbs having 3 years of warranty will be provided. In the first phase of the scheme, the consumer can exchange a maximum of 5 number of bulbs for LED bulbs. Participating rural households will also have meters installed in their houses to account for the usage. A jetu scheme hoy, yar kono government support ba subsidy na thake, and this is going to be financed entirely through carbon credits. Yar benefit etwe hobo that this will reduce carbon footprint and will improve the energy access in rural areas, providing better illumination at affordable prices. Next news is regarding the Sinatra doctrine, which is adopted by Central and East European member countries to deal with the increasing threat of Chinese influence. A doctrine 2 will be based on 2 pillars. A doctrine 2 duta pillar thakibo. First is continuing cooperation with China for addressing global challenges like the climate change, okay, and also neighboring countries or relation or khetra. and secondly hobo strengthening European Union's strategic sovereignty. Sinatra Doctrine also refers to the USSR policy of allowing East Bloc governments to be more autonomous and self-governing in nature. The next news is regarding P notes or participatory notes. These are also known as offshore derivative instruments, and they are issued by the registered foreign portfolio investors to overseas investors who wants to be a part of the Indian stock market but without registering themselves with the market regulator, right? And recently investment through P notes in the Indian capital market rose to rupees 91,658 crore. The last news for today is regarding a recent volcano eruption near Iceland's capital, Reykjavik. This particular area is located on the Seltjarnar Peninsula at the southeastern corner of Fexá Bay in southwestern Iceland. Next, let us have a look at the questions. Question number 1. What is volcanism? What are the factors that lead to volcanism? What role do volcanoes play in the climate? Number 2. What is water harvesting? Describe its relevance in the Indian context. Number 3. Empowering women is the key to control population growth. Discuss. Number 4. Critically examine whether a growing population is the cause of poverty or poverty is the main cause of population increase in India. And the last question, question number 5. How have digital initiatives in India contributed to the functioning of the education system in the country? Elaborate your answer. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again tomorrow with another session of newspaper analysis at Bordhapur IAS Academy. Till then, take care and keep learning.